Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful ECM Technica espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was leaking from the bottom of the machine. And that's why, because one of the three-way valves, this is the remaining little part that survived from the whole thing, basically broke inside. And that is connected, that's the condition of the machine as you can see, that is connected between the boiler safety valve, the vacuum release valve and the boiler safety valve. So basically, yeah, it disintegrated in half, the whole thing. So we replace it, secure it better so it doesn't touch any of the copper pipes or anything like that. And we also replace one of the electronic connections of the heating element, as this one, the original, was a little bit. I mean, it was still giving contact to the heating element, but it needed to be replaced. This electronic connection, as you can see. Also, one of the things that we find of this machine is that the shower screen, this thing, the filters one, is completely clogged. Basically, we need to replace it in order to actually unclog the hot water. It was just completely covered up with scale buildup or something. I tried to unclog this thing, I just couldn't do it. It's basically best to replace at this point. And yeah, that's all we did to this espresso machine. So, oh yeah, we also readjusted the pressure of the boiler. It was going all the way to 2.0, which is really, really high. It needs to be around 1.2, 1.5 at the most if you want. So you can just check your manual if you would like to increase these temperatures. And yeah, that's all we did. So started with a shot of espresso, then the steam, then the hot water. We're gonna test out this machine, and hopefully I pick up the right ground settings for this shot. Otherwise, you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. So let's see. And unfortunately, this coffee is just drip coffee. This is just drip coffee. Yeah, this is a no coffee. I should have tampered more harder and probably grinded way more fine. This is just a terrible shot. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's just bad. Oh well. Doesn't make justice to the espresso machine. The shower flow is extremely great, working perfectly fine. Since we couldn't really do a proper shot, we're gonna back flush it. So give me 1 second while I switch to the blind filter basket. Okay, now that the backflush disc is installed, we're just gonna let it, we're gonna backflush the machine. And as you can see, there's no leaks coming out from any of the levers, any of the places as well, nothing like that. And the splash, I mean, that one, perfectly fine, working perfectly. We replaced we gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the shower screen and the gasket of the machine itself, which should be around here. A little bit dirty. The newer one is replaced. The gasket needs to be replaced. We descaled the machine. There was some scale build-up, especially you saw this one just completely covered with scale, so we just basically run descaler through the whole machine. And yeah, that's all we did. So now we're gonna show you the hot water, and as you can see, working really well, perfectly fine, really good for us. And there you have it, ECM Technica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.